Hey, this is a quick video on Con Law 2 final exam with a look at the substantial due process analysis versus equal protection analysis. So just beginning with the due process analysis, the idea that I've got here is if it's, let me just grab a color here. If the analysis involves all people, so that's an infinity sign there, and then this is just a people character here. If the analysis involves all people, then you're gonna be doing a substantive due process analysis of the situation. That's substantial due process analysis, and at that point, you need to evaluate whether the factual situation involves a fundamental right or not. So if it does involve a fundamental right, so that's yes to fundamental right, then the analysis will be based on a strict scrutiny. Whereas, comparatively speaking, if the substantive due process analysis is actually does not involve a fundamental right, no fundamental right, then this analysis will look at everything under rational basis scrutiny, RS. And then shifting gears away from that into the equal protection analysis, so just right next to that, I'm going to do a symbol for some people, which will be 3 people, I guess. You know, 3 people here are representing the idea of some people as opposed to all people. So if it's some people, then that is going to be an EPA, equal protection analysis. And under that analysis, you're going to have 3 sub-possibilities. So move here. If it does not involve a suspect class, then the analysis is going to be rational basis scrutiny, so RS for rational scrutiny, rational basis scrutiny. If it does involve what I'll call a quasi-suspect class, so this is kind of a sort of equal sign, quasi-suspect class, then the scrutiny is going to be intermediate scrutiny. And then finally over here on the right, if it does not, if it does involve a suspect class, then the analysis is going to be strict scrutiny again with the SS. Okay, thanks.